After our hardware selections have been made, we move on to the colour selection of our exterior panels, and by that we mean doors, drawer fronts, and other external panels such as applied panels. From this screen, you can search for the exact material that you are after for the job. For example, if you search solid matte in the search box here, you'll be shown all available materials that include that word. You can refine your search even more by including keywords, such as material thickness and brand. After selecting the material, it will automatically update the edge selection. If you wish to have the edge as another colour, you can simply search within the edge colours and choose from there. If you are looking for a different type of material, such as vinyl or veneer, this can also be searched and selected from here. For example, if we search for Aston White and select from one of the vinyl materials, the options available to you will be different, as vinyl materials enable you to choose from the various different door styles, and these can be selected here. With wood grain materials such as aged walnut, you will also get an option to set which way the grain will be facing by toggling the checkbox below. If you are wishing to see what the available materials are, you can open the material browser. The browser will firstly show you what door styles are available to be selected, and after making your selection, the materials available to you under the door style will become visible. Hovering over each individual material will enable you to select the thickness of the material as well as the finish. If you wish to select a contrasting edge tape, this can also be achieved by navigating to the Edge Material tab and selecting from the available options to you. If you wish to order carcass only, this can be achieved by searching for and selecting non-supply.